Life. It can be a bit much. My past few months have felt like time is moving at 1,000,000 miles an hour. So today, there's no agenda. My dog Toby and I are gonna show you all a local trail. And that's all. So come along and thanks for hanging out with me on a Saturday. Also, thanks to my channel sponsor, Techron Complete Fuel System Cleaner. More on them in a little bit. All right, we're at the trailhead, about to air down. No agenda for today's video. We're just gonna go out, have some fun, show you my local trail. If you're interested in the location, the closest peak is Pine Mountain, I believe. I'll put it on the kind of a general area on the map here. And then we are southeast of Rimrock Lake. So let's air down. I like 18. 18 works for today. The start of this trail is definitely on the rocky side, so I'm just gonna go ahead and switch into 4 low now. You could definitely do it without 4 low. You could do it in 4 high. Maybe with some momentum you do it in 2 high, but there's some side-by-sides there. Here we go. It's kind of funny, after adding some armor like the rock sliders, front skid plate, and a few other things, but before doing a lift, I'd do a trail like this and I would just be rubbing on everything. But post suspension lift, I don't really touch skid plates that often anymore, unless I'm doing something kind of crazy, which I would not consider this crazy. My buddy Chris and I were up here filming a video, I think about his Colorado, where we did a leveling kit from Chevy, and we were climbing up this exact spot, and it was snowy, and all of a sudden it was just like on top of, you know, there was snow, and then underneath the snow was just nothing but ice, and we ended up using front and rear lockers and still not being able to go anywhere, but we used max tracks to get some momentum, and then we were able to get up to the top and then turn around. Here we go. Oh man, the other thing about coming up here is wildlife. We've got elk, we've got deer, and freaking like huge rattlesnakes. I'll cut to a shot from last fall where I was up here with my my grandpa and my dad. I was kind of showing my grandpa this area because he lives nearby. Oh, he's mad. He is. He's coiled and he is very grumpy.
You can launch yourself the length of the...
And this is why you go off-roading and don't go hiking. Oh, 2 side-by-sides. Blah, blah, blah. Ready, Tobus? Let's go. Now, if you watch my channel for any amount of time, you might recognize a lot of this. This is kind of like, oh, I need to go up in the woods to show off new skid plate or new exhaust or new whatever. It's like, well, I'll just go up here. I love coming up here. It's at this point, it's not exactly like exhilarating, you know, like with that feeling of, oh, I don't know where I am, or I'm exploring. This is just kind of like essentially, this is my happy place. This is kind of just where I go to relax. I come up here to, if I need to take a couple photos of something, if I need to come up here and do anything, this is kind of the easiest and one of the better spots to do it. So I don't know if you recognize this spot, but this is one of my favorite filming areas. I don't know how many videos, or at least parts of videos I've filmed in this spot. Yeah, I've done fun videos here, I've done serious videos here. Definitely at some point this area has been burned. not that long ago, but there's definitely a lot of trees that are kind of coming back. So one little issue with Toby here is that he's kind of slowly going deaf. So when I talk to him, especially if he's kind of like off running, smelling stuff, I have to make sure he's not too far away because he has to still be in earshot of me with his less than awesome hearing. Come here. Yeah. There you go. We got to keep going. We got to get to the top. A little more? All good? Okay. All right, let's go. You got a tick on you? What is that? No, it's just mud. Okay. Let's go, homie. Man, I'm ashamed to admit it. It has been a long time since I've been up here. It's just life has been so busy, starting a new job, other responsibilities, been doing contract work, just seasonal stuff. It's just been absolutely crazy. I think it's been months since I've been here, which is sad and embarrassing because it's not very far from my house. So I'm just very thankful to the big guy upstairs for making this area for me to come up here for, and I'm just glad to be up here. I need to come up here more often. So this spot is pretty rutted out. We're gonna try to do it just straight. See what happens here, going down into the hole. Watch that hitch. I have a hitch slider for exactly that kind of thing. So this right here is a fun little hill. A couple years ago, came to this spot to do mini bike testing for Camo Joe. I don't know if you guys saw any of those videos or not, but that bike should have come back this year, guys. Are you interested in more mini bike videos? Because the bike is actually in great shape, and there is another race. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it or not yet. We'll see. I also owe you guys a video about my suspension for the Tacoma. I've had it for well over a year, and we filmed the whole thing, and different projects keep coming up on the schedule and keep bumping that back. And it's one of those things where it's a lot of footage to sift through, so I keep on going, oh, that one's not going to be an easy one to make. I'll do something else. So at some point here, I need to talk about my suspension and how awesome it is and all the parts and all that. So it's coming. It's still coming. Someday. Oh, there's mud. Should we? I think we should. Down in the comments, tell me about your guys' favorite trail or your home turf trail. You know, I'd love to read your comments. And like the people in California or something always just go to the desert or something like that. And here we have deserts, but it's not like sandy deserts. It's like, you know, rocky deserts. All right, we're gonna get the drone in the air to hopefully get some cool shots of this. Again, it's about 30 degrees, so it's pretty cool. And to make this a little more difficult and challenging on myself, and hopefully entertaining for you, while doing this hill climb, am going to tell you guys about my channel sponsor, Techron Complete Fuel System Cleaner. I'm trying to make it fun. All right, so the fine people at Chevron make Techron Complete Fuel System Cleaner, which is a premium fuel additive. It's fantastic, you guys. It keeps your fuel system really clean. It keeps your gas mileage as good as it can be. What else about it? Oh, it keeps your fuel injectors clean, which is really important. You know, we're gonna maintain performance and fuel economy. We use it every oil change, about every 5,000 miles. It'll keep your system running great. And Techron is an awesome sponsor of my channel. I use their product all the time, and it's really easy. And I made it up the hill. It is a little harder while you're trying to remember things to say about a sponsor. So thanks, Techron. You like sandwiches? You've got town way over the distance in there, which is cool. Other famous trails like Bethel Ridge and Rimrock Lake are all kind of that direction. And then over here facing that direction we have Darlin Mountain, I believe. All right, well, I think we'll head back down. We'll take you along for the ride. We've got deer. Awesome. Super cool. Well, that was absolutely fantastic. Just finished airing up. Beautiful day, sun's starting to go down. Oh, and I never told you guys about my new setup for airing up. It's actually one of those inexpensive dual Napa air compressors that were really hard to get for a long period of time. Got one of those, and then also I modified it following the Badland Industries video about adding a pressure switch and a quick air fitting, so you can even use like air tools and things like that. So I'm gonna tag his video in the description because I never made a video about it and his video explains it really well anyway. So that's it. All right, until next time everyone, God bless, and don't forget to do it yourself. Thanks for hanging out with me on Saturday.